Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable gyro stabilization on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. Since this is an action camera, most probably you expose it to a lot of shakes and a lot of movement. And to reduce those shakes so the image doesn't appear as blurred because of the motion blur, you can click on the magic wand right here, then scroll down until you find Gyro Stabilizer. And you can see in some modes it's not available. It's not available in 4K 60 or 50 FPS, 2.7K 60 or 50 FPS, 1440 60 or 50 FPS, in 1080p 120 FPS, or in 720p 240 FPS. So in lower FPS values, like for example 30, it should be all working. You can set it to on. Now it'll stabilize your recordings. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.